Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of spreadsheets, frantically calculating employee hours, deductions, and tax withholdings, all while battling the looming dread of payday? What if I told you there's a way to reclaim your time, reduce errors, and transform payroll from a monthly headache into a seamless, automated process? For countless small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even larger enterprises, payroll isn't just about paying people, it's a labyrinth of compliance, data entry, and potential pitfalls. You've got to track hours, manage different pay rates, calculate overtime, account for benefits, deduct taxes, federal, state, and local, and then, you can finally think about issuing payments. And heaven forbid you make a mistake, because that can lead to unhappy employees, fines, and a whole lot of stress. Think about the traditional payroll process for a moment. It often starts with collecting timesheets, whether they're paper, digital, or even just a mental note. Then comes the manual entry of all that data into a spreadsheet or a basic accounting software. Next, the painstaking calculations, often double-checked, and sometimes triple-checked, to ensure accuracy. After that, you're looking at generating pay stubs, initiating bank transfers or printing checks, and then meticulously reconciling your accounts. And this isn't a one-time thing, it's a recurring, often monthly, commitment that eats into valuable time you could be spending on growing your business, innovating, or simply enjoying some well-deserved rest. The stakes are high. Incorrect payroll can lead to underpaying or overpaying employees, which can damage morale and trust. It can result in late payments, triggering penalties from tax authorities. And it can tie up your valuable capital if you're not managing your cash flow efficiently. For many small businesses, the thought of bringing on a dedicated HR or payroll specialist is simply not feasible due to budget constraints. So, the burden often falls squarely on the shoulders of the owner, who is already juggling 100 other responsibilities. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about accuracy, compliance, and peace of mind. Imagine a world where all those manual steps are replaced by a few clicks, where calculations are done automatically, and where payments are sent out on time, every time, without you having to lift a finger beyond the initial setup. That's the promise of payroll automation. Today, we're diving deep into exactly how you can achieve that with Relay Bank. Relay isn't just another business banking platform, it's designed with the modern business in mind, offering powerful tools that integrate seamlessly with your existing workflows. And when it comes to payroll, Relay really shines. They understand the intricacies of small business operations and have built a system that simplifies what was once a complex chore. So, if you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or anyone responsible for payroll and you're tired of the manual grind, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the entire process of automating your payroll using Relay Bank, step by step. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to running your first automated payroll, and we'll even touch on some best practices to ensure a smooth and compliant process. Let's begin by understanding why Relay Bank is such a powerful tool for payroll automation. Unlike traditional banks that might offer basic online banking, Relay is built with a focus on business operations. This means features like multiple accounts, detailed expense tracking, and perhaps most importantly for our discussion today, robust integrations with leading payroll software. This is crucial because true automation isn't about doing everything within one platform, it's about connecting the best tools for each job. The core of Relay's payroll automation strategy lies in its ability to integrate with third-party payroll providers. Relay doesn't do payroll calculations directly, that's the specialized work of dedicated payroll software. Instead, Relay acts as the intelligent financial hub that facilitates the seamless flow of funds for your payroll. This means you get the best of both worlds, a powerful, user-friendly business bank account for managing your finances, and a specialized payroll platform for handling all the complex calculations, tax filings, and compliance. The beauty of this approach is that you're not locked into a single ecosystem. You can choose the payroll provider that best fits your specific needs, whether it's Gusto, QuickBooks Payroll, ADP, or another popular option. Relay then connects to that provider, enabling a smooth and automated transfer of funds for payroll. This modular approach gives you flexibility and ensures you're using the most effective tools for each aspect of your business. So, let's talk about the specific steps to get started with automating your payroll using Relay Bank. Step 1. Set up your Relay Bank account, if you haven't already. This is the foundational step. If you're not already banking with Relay, you'll need to open a business checking account. The process is straightforward and typically involves providing your business information, EIN, and personal identification. Relay's online application is designed to be user-friendly, and their customer support is generally very responsive if you encounter any questions. Once your account is active, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll see features like multiple checking accounts, which are incredibly useful for segregating funds, including a dedicated payroll account, expense tracking, and bill pay options. Get comfortable navigating the platform, as this will be your central hub for managing your business finances. Step 2. Choose your payroll software. This is a critical decision. As mentioned, Relay integrates with a variety of payroll providers. Consider factors like number of employees. Some platforms are better suited for very small teams, while others scale well for larger workforces. Features needed. Do you need direct deposit, tax filing services, PTO tracking, benefits administration, or contractor payments? Pricing. Payroll software typically charges per employee per month, so compare pricing structures. Ease of use. Look for a platform with an intuitive interface that your team can easily understand. Integration with other tools. If you use other accounting or HR software, ensure your chosen payroll provider integrates with them. Popular choices that often integrate well with business banking platforms like Relay include Gusto, known for its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and excellent customer support. It's a favorite among small businesses. QuickBooks Payroll. If you already use QuickBooks for accounting, their payroll solution offers seamless integration. ADP, a long-standing industry leader, suitable for businesses of all sizes, offering a wide range of services. Paychex, another well-established provider with various service levels. Once you've chosen your payroll software, sign up for an account and begin the setup process within that platform. This will involve entering your company details, employee information, including names, addresses, pay rates, and tax withholding information, and setting up your pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, monthly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.